How to change your Zoom meeting password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to change your Zoom meeting password. For that, open up your Zoom app and then you will need to go to the profile on the top right, and then you need to go to profile. Now tap on my profile, and then a browser will open up. Then scroll down, and then under sign in, tap on edit beside sign in password, and then you'll need to put in the old password and then put in the new password, and then make sure that the password must include 8 characters, one number, one uppercase letter, and one lowercase letter, and just hit save changes. And that's it. It's as simple as that to change your password. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.